Here is Arjumal, the great carpenter. He has made a bed for the emperor. The emperor is very tall, and the bed must be 7 steps in length. Check whether he has made the bed correctly. Is it 7 steps in length? Good! The bed is 7 steps in length. Here is the emperor in his new bed.
This bed cannot be more than 5 steps long.
What went wrong? This boy has heard that the emperor's horse is the biggest in the empire at 17 hands high. He measures his horse and finds that it is 19 hands high. Do you think his horse is bigger than the emperor's horse?
I think your horse and your hands are smaller than mine, little boy. When I said that bed should be 7 steps in length, I meant 7 of my steps. Your steps are smaller than mine. The length of the bed is wrong.
Here is a ruler and a measuring tape. The ruler is 1 meter long. Each line marks 1 centimeter. How many centimeters are there in 1 meter? Why do you think people like to measure with rulers and measuring tapes?
Using a measuring tape avoids confusion. You wanted a bed of length 2 meters and 10 centimeters.